channel. The video I'm about to show you is actually something I recorded for my sister's eyes only, and I can't believe I'm showing this to you guys, but I really just love watching other people's videos of their unboxing of their latest purse or bag or any of their clothes. So I thought maybe somebody might enjoy this one as well. Well, hope you like it. It's not the greatest. Again, it wasn't meant to be seen by the public, but enjoy. Thanks. J.Crew. This is the Harper mini satchel. I got it on sale for only $62 with tax, somewhere around there. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's cute. Okay, so I finally unwrapped all the wrapping, and this is how it looks. This is a pocket here, and I'm just gonna take out the little styrofoam. So it's cute. It has a pocket there, has their J.Crew embossed there. I like how you can tuck in their zipper, the end of the zipper there, and I like the gold hardware. And then this comes with a little tag, which I believe you can buy gold letters. I've seen the word love, L-O-V-E, so I guess you can buy those separately. And the zipper feels nice too. That to me is very important, to have smooth zippers. And then this is how it looks inside. And in the zipper pocket, that zipper feels nice and smooth as well. Or it just feels regular, I guess I should say. And then this card was inside. And this just tells you how to take care of the bag. And that's about it. This is how the hardware looks. You can adjust that. Oh, I just love how mini it is. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. Not bad. Cool. I like it. And I'm glad it came with a duster bag. All right, now I'm gonna see what can fit inside this mini Harper satchel by J.Crew. Probably too big. When I actually use this bag, I'll probably change to my smaller wallet. But this is how it looks. Lotion. Let's see. Tissues. And can't fit my sunglass case, but by itself it'll fit. And probably a lipstick and a compact. Let's see, maybe this and this. And it'll definitely fit my cell phone, so I don't have that here because I'm using it to record this video. But let's zip it up. That's pretty cute. I actually have a small water bottle. Let's see if that will fit. Nah, that's not gonna fit. Unless I change, maybe if I change my wallet to the smaller one, I can't zip it, but at least it still holds it. That's pretty cool. My water bottle inside. I don't know if you could see that. Not bad. Actually, I can zip it if I really wanted to. Okay, hope you enjoyed.